Ready to set up a deep flow technique hydroponic system? Welcome to HydroponicsTown. Today we'll walk you through the steps to get your DFT system running smoothly. The deep flow technique is a hydroponic method where plant roots are constantly bathed in a shallow stream of nutrient-rich water. This keeps them fed, hydrated, and full of oxygen, perfect for growing leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and basil. Let's set it up step by step. First, you'll need your materials. A reservoir to hold your water and nutrients, a submersible pump, air stones with an air pump, grow channels or trays, net pots with media, and of course, your seedlings. Having these ready makes setup easy. Next, prepare your reservoir. Fill it with clean water and mix in your hydroponic nutrients according to the instructions. Place the pump and air stones inside. The pump circulates water through the system, while the air stones keep the solution oxygen-rich for healthy root growth. Now connect your grow channels. Position them slightly tilted so the nutrient solution flows gently from one end and returns back into the reservoir. This steady, shallow flow is what makes DFT so effective. Once the channels are ready, it's time to add your plants. Place seedlings into net pots filled with clay pebbles or rock wool cubes, then insert them into the channel holes. Make sure the roots touch the flowing water so they can start absorbing nutrients right away. Finally, turn on your pump and test the system. You should see a smooth, gentle flow of water across the roots. Check pH and EC levels regularly to keep your plants thriving. And that's it, your deep flow technique setup is complete. With just a little care and monitoring, you'll enjoy healthy, fast-growing greens in no time. Visit HydroponicsTown.com for DFT system tools and all your hydroponic essentials.